Hey guys, today's trade of the day is actually going to be SoFi. Why did we choose it? Well, we had the Super Bowl there yesterday, and we come in with some key levels here today, and then plus we had some good talk in the pre-market about SoFi. Like when I saw SoFi up here today, up to 13 bucks and up 3%, 3.5% on really no news, it was kind of shocking to me to see that kind of a bump happening. And I feel like it was that Super Bowl bump. People expecting to come in, they see the stadium, they like it. I don't think it's a real excuse to buy or sell shares, but someone did. And so it comes in here today. And even when we noticed the market was kind of choppy, SoFi comes right in the beginning. And let's talk about some key levels here. So whenever we're looking to trade a stock, this is really the reason why we looked at SoFi here today and why we didn't push the button at a higher price. We really see, and you can see I have it marked here with the line, this 1220. We've bounced off there a couple times here at 1220. So we were going to use that as our indicator to get in, and that's exactly what we did. So we let SoFi fall down, and we talked about it in the pre-market that we didn't like these levels up here. I wasn't sure. Was it going to take off? Was it going to come back in? I didn't want the long until it did the latter and came back in. So bang, right back down to the downside. We let it build out, and there it comes in 1230. The line extended itself. Here's that 1220 line right there. That's what we were going to use as our support. So, okay, so let's go. We take the SoFi long first out right up here for 50s. That's about, again, we're in at 30, out at 50, that's 20 cents. Then it really shoots up right back into pre-market bottoms of 65 or 70 there, and we take out the trade. It falls right back down into that same area again. So as per usual, and this is live on the show as well, we reloaded. We reloaded SoFi just at 11 o'clock back into that same area again. Bang, right back up to the upside, out, all in the same area. Then this is where it became a little slippery as the market starts to move to the downside. And again, we let SoFi, unfortunately we didn't hold anything, we let SoFi come all the way back in, and then again, rinse and repeat for the third time. Third time's a charm? Not this time. Comes to the downside. We get a 1220, then we get a 1215 or so. At this point, this is where we got to learn our lesson. It already broke this 1220 line, so we should have just maybe stopped right here. It's because we didn't get enough shares. This is really just one in down here at 20, so that's what we were doing. As soon as it broke 20, I should have just given it like 5 or 10 more cents. But unfortunately, I take another bid here at 1210, and then I use O's as my out, and as you can see, it does break down. So, you know, taking some money, I think we're pretty flat on the stock now. Taking the money first was a good move, but then the market, like I said, absolutely crashes down, and then we use some of these levels, which you can see right here. That's 12 bucks. There's really nothing here. So, I mean, again, if 12 had a solid sort of support, then maybe I would have like held out for 1190s or something. But, you know, once you break 12, I mean, you don't really get any help till about 1180, and then you're in trouble, 1150 and so on. So I feel like I did the right move. I'm not sure what SoFi is going to do here. Maybe this is a good reload, especially if SoFi does hold. You see a big buy spike on that break of 12. So maybe there's something there on SoFi, but for right now, we're out of that trade. And I think when I've done this, I might hop right back in and see if we can't make this back. It looks like it's resisting that 1195. So it's SoFi longs, boom, try it again and lose. So looks like we'll be flat on this trade, but I think it just, you know, charted out well for us. So, you know, SoFi will take this every time. Unfortunately, today it does break that bottom, and it's your trade of the day.